Now, the centre is on Mission Naya Kashmir, and National Security Advisor Ajit Doval has been playing a crucial role in it. 2 years after the abrogation of Article 370 and 35A, Doval is now bringing all political parties to the table for talks with the centre. Sources tell India Today that ahead of Prime Minister Modi's all-party meeting on 24th of June, NSA has been engaging with local leaders of Jammu and Kashmir, even at the lowest levels, to understand the valley's mood of political processes. Earlier, Doval had camped in the erstwhile state for days to begin the process of abrogation Article 370. Now, Prime Minister Modi's all-party meeting in Jammu and Kashmir on June 24th has led to quite some political churn here. Gupkar Alliance is holding a meeting on Tuesday to chalk out its strategy, while smaller parties of Jammu are currently miffed over not being invited to this mega meet. Prime Minister's meet comes amid rising speculations of restoration of statehood for Jammu and Kashmir. Now, is a big change on the cards after 2 years of abrogation of Article 370? Let's take a listen at this report.
Jammu and Kashmir at crossroads again. After losing its special status and statehood, the Union territory is staring at a possible churn of unprecedented level. All eyes on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's all-party meet slated for Thursday. The first political initiative may spell an end to 2 years of political stalemate and uncertainty, and may end the speculation of return to full statehood. The state may get 7 more assembly seats and see a redrawing of constituencies.
2 साल लगभग बीत जाने के बाद फिर से लोकतांत्रिक व्यवस्था यहां पर बने, उसके लिए प्रधानमंत्री जी ने प्राथमिकता की है। इस महत्वपूर्ण मीटिंग से बहुत से ऐसे पहलू सामने आएंगे जो कि आने वाले समय में जम्मू कश्मीर की डेवलपमेंट के लिए दिशा निर्देश तय करेंगे।
The invitation for PM's meet has soured political activities for Valley's political parties. The so-called Gupkar Alliance will hold a crucial meet on Tuesday to chalk out strategy.
पीपल्स अलायंस फॉर गुपकार डिक्लेरेशन की एक मीटिंग होनी है, उसमें भी इस मसले को डिस्कस किया जाएगा। जो PAGD के अलग अलग मेंबरान हैं वो अपनी उस पर राय देंगे, और वहाँ पे भी एक लाए अमल क्या होना चाहिए वो डिस्कस किया जाएगा।
We had not closed any door for dialogue. We had not never thought of closing any opportunity, not availing any opportunity which will be provided by the government of India.
Sources claim that PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti may skip the meet and nominate NC chief Farooq Abdullah to represent the 7-party group. She even labelled centre's efforts as too little and too late, saying that not much is on the platter for J&K parties. Sources further suggest Mufti isn't much hopeful for a positive outcome. Smaller Jammu-based parties are apprehensive.
I think the union government's attempt in engaging the old political parties of Kashmir is going to undo all the benefits of Article 370 and 35A's abrogation.
Jammu and Kashmir has hoped to leave its troubled past behind after being fully integrated with India. Will the renewed dialogue deliver on the long-awaited political aspirations?
The situation in the Jammu and Kashmir has not been so good after the abrogation of Article 370, then the coronavirus pandemic across the country and world. The situation is so far as it was, but now the Prime Minister, as he promised after the abrogation of Article 370, that the picture of the Kashmir will be completely changed by that move of the government. The government is focusing on the Jammu and Kashmir, particularly on the Kashmir Valley, how the situation in the Jammu and Kashmir will improve. Also, the state of Jammu and Kashmir will pick the pace of development and normalcy. Ashraf Wani, India Today in Srinagar.